If you want to buy a car which is very understated, with which you can go into a taxman's office and come out in 3.6 seconds, that is without inviting any trouble for you, that has about 600 brake horsepower, does about 800 Nm of torque, and is very, very understated, then it has to be the Audi RS7 Sportback, which tops the charts, which also looks super stunning in this Nardo grey. The RS initials are taken from the German Rennsport, means racing sport. An RS generally is a moniker for rally sport and is a badge that should never be taken lightly on any car. It needs to be treated with respect. I recently drove the Lamborghini Huracan Evo RWD and no, it's not a comparison, that's not what the idea is, but the video is dropping soon, so you might as well subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified. Incidentally, the Lamborghini also does 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds and has about 610 brake horsepower. But wait a minute, when Audi says that it does it in 3.6 seconds, why should we believe it? The roads are clean. Let's test it ourselves. And I've pressed it on the RS2 mode. I have the launch control activated. Audi gives you a inbuilt acceleration measurement where you can measure your lap time of 0 to 100. Let's boom! Woo! Not bad. I did it in 3.9 seconds, guys. That's it. Well, it's raining, so it might be, depends on driving conditions, of course. But 3.9 seconds, not bad, Audi. Good job. What this also has is the optional dynamic pack, which includes the all-wheel steering, and that's a big boon in tight corners like these. The rear wheels turn just slightly to help get this rather long super sedan easily around a tight bend. It has oval exhaust pipes and a rear bumper with a diffuser, highlighting its sportiness, especially from the rear. At the front, you get a new RS7 bumper with plenty of cuts and vents. Also, the RS7 gets the cool looking matrix LED headlamps that are just fantastic. I would like to highlight is a spoiler which automatically extends from the tailgate when the speed crosses the 100 km mark. It is a 4-liter V8 twin turbo which produces 600 brake horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, which also comes with the fabled Audi Quattro technology, which comes with a launch control function, and you have an option of getting a rear wheel steering, and in tight corners it really comes very handy there. This kind of big V8 feeds power to all the 4 wheels via 8-speed gearbox, and it also shuts off the 4 cylinders when you are just cruising along. Now that helps you saving fuel, and it also takes in high octane petrol. It comes with a very sporty seat belt to keep you safe, and these red stitches, the attention to details, the chrome finish actually makes the whole package look so much wholesome. This is a car you can go to work with, this is a car you can take your family with, it's a 5-seater. This is a car you can be with yourself, go for a Sunday drive, just enjoy the drive. This is also a performance car, so you have everything in this. It's not too loud, it doesn't wake up your neighbors in the morning when you start the exhaust. It doesn't also make your neighbors jealous because they'll never know unless they are a car enthusiast. It's the little things which adds up and makes all the big difference. Now when you buy a car like Audi RS7, it seldom will be sitting in the rear seat because you'll be sitting planted in the driver's seat. It's a performance car. Having said that, it's got decent amount of knee room. The headroom, because of its being sportback, is not that great. Nevertheless, the seats are comfortable. Also because of the sunroof, it takes in the position. But there's nothing much to complain. This is the place you want to be in. Buy it because you don't want to be loud, don't want to catch unwanted attention. Buy it because you want a 5-seater with good boot space, but also buy it to make the other 4 passengers scream in excitement. Because if I had to sum up the RS7 in one word, it would be exciting.